Step into the 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis LS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: engine immobilizer, heated mirrors, AM/FM stereo, keyless entry, child safety locks, rear defrost, and 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.